Hey guys, welcome back. How are yous? I'm out this morning. Found this beautiful old tree when I was doing some drives. I'm clearing my house and doing some grass. This beautiful big old tree that sort of died, and it's got some gorgeous shapes. Going to try and do a sunrise. There's a bit of cloud around from the rain we've had in the last couple of days, so hopefully that's going to translate into a little bit of background, bit of sunrise colour bouncing off them, with this nice foreground of this big old tree. So I'm here at the spot. We're going to go try and set up, see if it's going to work out as a composition, and just go from there. Got about an hour and a bit before the sunrise. It's early. It's been a long week. I think I need this. Yeah, good. Just to sort of switch off and reset the clock, reset the brain. Yeah, looking forward to it. Let's go check it out. So guys, I'm just here where I wanted to park, but I don't know if you can see them, some massive big high-powered electricity lines, and listen to the sounds coming off the wires. Hopefully you can pick it up. That's freaky. I thought it was cats, but it's the wires. It's electricity in the wires. It sounds like a couple of cats fighting. Very cool. Very scary, but cool. It's very weird. If anyone knows why that is, let me know down below. Rightio. So here we go. Let's see if we can find some. Check this tree out. Hey guys, how are we? So this is the tree I was talking about. Beautiful big old paddock. Kangaroos over there. It's like a nature reserve. So just a beautiful old spot, right in the heart of the city, I guess. So it's sort of a nice, pretty place. Very rare to get this stuff. You can see all the kangaroos hopping around. They're getting ready for another day. And then yeah, this there. So I've got the sun coming up in the background, and this big old tree, rusty old tree. So it's looking not too bad. It's sort of, I guess, not blue hour, but sort of just still got about 20 minutes to go before sunrise. So it's sort of just getting a few shots in now, getting set up. I think I've got all my timing and ISOs and everything I want right. With that sun coming up, I've gone to 100 ISO, which is not too bad because it's still giving me everything I want. I'm still getting all the image I want because I don't really need the detail of the tree. I've got it focused on that. I'm going to try and work out some focus stacking. I've got to learn how to do that. And I can do that background and front, and then have the tree as the sort of middle ground. So there's another little stump over here to your right. I'm not sure if you can see that just there. That's sort of going to be probably right at the front of the shot, and then that beautiful big tree, and then that cloud over to your right. That sort of gives you a little bit of the depth. That was a little thicker before, so see how we go. Hopefully that hangs around because it's pretty blank behind that, but we'll see how that sun comes up. It's not getting some nice colours out of it at the moment. Just taking a few shots. There's my little setup. There, all ready to go, just sitting down enjoying the morning. It's a nice, beautiful, sort of cool morning. So yeah, something different. But anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm going to try and see if we can get some shots. Just said it's about 20 minutes to go before sunrise, and hopefully we can get that sun peeking out. There's no clouds to block it this time, so that'll be lovely if this all works out. Well, fingers crossed we can get a photo out of it. Rightio, see you soon.
A bottle of wine will get me every time. ready to be mine. We twist the truth to justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light, right here in the moment we're breathing life.
Righto guys, well I think I've got everything I could do. You can see here, don't know if you can see my composition in there. Come on in, looks pretty good. I've got a ton of shots, just doing an exposure bracket to make sure I haven't missed anything. That sun's now risen up. I did change angles just to try and get those power lines out of it a bit more and get a bit more of these clouds over here in the background, which I think will work out a little bit better. I'm gonna just get some happy snaps now, I guess, and put my 50 to 200 on and see if I can't get some of those kangaroos with that morning light on and get a couple of these shots with these bits of timber in the background, just a bit of handheld stuff. And yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah, literally 5 minutes from home. Beautiful Whitman Park. It's a pretty amazing place. Yeah, I'm going to try and explore it a bit more too in the upcoming weeks. Now I've got a little bit of time once I've now done all the lawn and stuff, so we'll see how we go. Just going to go around and do a bit more shooting and we'll go from there. That's the end of me. Time to go home. Oh, hopefully I got something in Lightroom that's going to work out. It's a lovely, peaceful morning here. Out on the middle of nowhere. Very cool. Righto guys, well that's it for another video. If you like that, or you learned something, or you're interested in seeing more, let me know down below in the comments. While you're down below, there's a thing called subscribe. Smash that for us, that'll help us out. Much appreciated. And hit that bell and I'll let you know every time there's another video. Don't forget, there's also our Another Day, Another Vlog series, which is a Monday to Friday daily news, tech reviews, all that sort of stuff, so you can catch on what's happening around the world on the web. Alrighty, well, from here to me to you, I'll see you all soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Rightio, so that's us. That's pretty cool. Funky stuff there too. Some good little spots around there. The trees, I guess it'd be. I think it's one of those trees that'd be really good for astro too. I was looking at last night because there was no moon, but there's all this cloud around, so I didn't think it'd work. But it probably would have been really good. It's always the way, you know. So yeah. Anyway. Get that. I've got to get a night filter for my Astro to make that work, but yeah, no, something different. Every time I go out, the more I learn about me, my camera, and a little bit about where I live too. I guess that's the other thing. Where you are, it's by pushing and going out all the time and trying to find new places, you get to see what is around you, and that's sometimes I think you get a little bit locked in. And I think I know I was definitely like that when I lived in the territory. I sort of didn't really appreciate it. It was just, that was normal to me. Now I'm here, I sort of miss that a little bit, I guess. So, and I had probably the best place in the world to do my photography, and yeah. Oh, no worries. I'll stop yappering on like I normally do and let you get back to whatever you're doing. Righto.